Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger Minute. This is Thursday, August the 22nd. Just going to give a quick wrap-up of what has happened here at the high school this week and get everybody on the same page for what's coming up in the weeks to follow. We've had a great week here at the high school. We have started our Tiger Time interventions, which has focused on ACT on Tuesday and Wednesdays. And then also on Thursdays and Fridays, we will have our interventions for our core content classes. In case a student has fallen behind in any of his classes that they're in, we're going to use Thursdays and Fridays to get them caught back up, meet with teachers they need to meet with, and try to keep everybody passing all their classes and try to prevent just class failures and getting kids behind to graduate. On Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we have partnered with a new company called Magoosh. They are an ACT specialty group, and they are providing some ACT intervention ideas for us, and we're utilizing that. Really looking forward to what that can do for your child and our ACT scores. So really encourage your child to take full advantage of this program and this time at school. Your child does have access to this Magoosh at home, so if you do have internet service or you're able to click on this through that site, you're able to utilize this program at home. The studies from this program tell us that by fully utilizing this program, you can raise your ACT score up from 4 to 7 points, and that is a considerable gain in that exam. So please encourage your child to take full effect and use this to the fullest. Our Lady Tiger volleyball team will be in action tonight. Again, this is Thursday the 22nd, so our volleyball team is in action tonight against Bullitt East here at Tiger Arena. That's a big-time game. Bullitt East is a very nice team. Should be a nice match for our ladies to prepare them for this season coming up. The Lady Tiger volleyball team did win in their opener of the year this year, where they beat Ohio County at Ohio County. Tomorrow, our volleyball team will be traveling to the Apollo Summer Slam. That'll be tomorrow and Saturday. This weekend they'll be gone. Our football team will open up their season Friday night, the 23rd, against Owensboro here at Tiger Field. That game time will be at 7 o'clock. We will be having a back-to-school dance immediately following the football game, and please encourage all students to attend that. We talk heavily on that first day of school about making memories, and this is a prime example about taking advantage of some of the opportunities that the school will provide for you to make memories. Come out there and have fun with your friends and have a good dance. It starts at 9:30 and will end about 11 o'clock. Our soccer team will be in action this weekend as they'll be hosting Bullitt Central at 11 o'clock at Tiger Field. Next week, we will have Picture Day on Monday, the 26th. So be sure you wear what you need to wear that day to get your picture taken. That'll be what's in the yearbook. But that is Picture Day on the 26th. Also on Monday, the 26th, our soccer team will be hosting Fort Knox at Tiger Field. On Tuesday and Wednesday, again, we'll be in our ACT intervention groups. But on Tuesday, our soccer team will be hosting Warren Central at Tiger Field. The game time's at 7 o'clock, and our volleyball team will be at Cloverport on that Tuesday night. Thursday, we'll be back in action with our soccer team hosting Warren East at Tiger Field. It's at 6 o'clock. Our volleyball team will be at Hancock County in a big district matchup there. And on Friday, we will have Club Day, where all of our students get to go to clubs throughout the day, and our football team will be at Metcalfe County next Friday night. And that concludes this week's Tiger Minute. Everybody work really hard. Have a great day, and be a champion.